all hand-carry baggage, please. Hindi mo siya FOC lang. Hindi siya FOC.
Hey guys, we just got here at Dumaguete. Mangyari po lamang na sana maabutan ko pang binok kong ocean jet. Well, it's currently 5:57 and 7:15 pa naman yung departure nun. So, I still have to book my Grab tuk-tuk going to the port and wait there until I get to Sikihor later. Can't wait to eat. I'm starving. So I booked my tuk-tuk na guys going to the port and it's around 100 pesos and I'm just waiting for him now. Ewan ko, hinahanap pa niya ata ako. So I'll see you when I get to the Dumaguete port. Right? Going na kami ng ano guys, ng Dumaguete port. So siguro mga around 10-15 minutes nandun na kami. And mag-check-in lang ako ng ticket ko. Then I'll wait for the ocean jet going Sikihor. Pagdating, I think I'll settle down first, rest, maligo, then kain tayo. Pupunta na tayo guys. Hanapin muna natin si driver natin. And we're going to our accommodation. And we're gonna look for something to eat again. Kasi meron pala akong yung burger sa bag na binigay kanina. Tapos nung nahilo ako, tsaka ako kumain. Hello. Oh guys, I love my room. So we have our beach towels here, we have our hangers, our water heater, free coffee, refillable water down, and what I love here is we have our full body mirror right here. Moving on to their toilet and bath guys, we have of course our tabo and timba. We have our shower right here. We have where we can hang our towels here. Of course our toilet bowl. A little sink right here. Some towels. And they also provided shampoos and toothbrush for 2 guests. But I'm alone lang here sa room. We have also tissue roll here and some scented gel there. We're now done changing and hanap muna tayo ng kainan guys kasi gutom na ako. Ano ba yan? So, sana may malakad lang dito. Babalik tayo kasi magre-rent na lang tayo ng mag-13 at tamad na maglakad guys. So, let's go. So, pili tayo guys ng helmet natin for our stay here. I think We should go with this one because it's so cute. Let's see. This one looks... Oh. Ang cute niya. Let's see. So, nakapilian tayo guys ng ating helmet and this is what it shows. Ang cute eh. So, magdi-dinner lang tayo and going back to sleep. Okay, naka-rent na tayo guys ng motor. So, hanap na tayo ng makakainan natin and then voila, pag nabusog, matulog na. Nakaupo na tayo guys and we have ordered inasal with soft drinks. Tapos, let's see if makakapag-extra rice ako. And then, kasi very recommended yung inasal dito sa roadside. Tingnan niyo. Thank you. So, nag-serve na sila ng soft drinks natin. So, ayan. That's how it looks like. So, tingnan natin if masarap. Mura lang naman din siya. Around 155, 165. Depende na siya sa part ng chicken yung ano. And then, if ever masarap siya, balik-balikan natin, di ba, for dinner? Kasi 155 is such a steal na already. Kasi yung mga ibang pagkain dito, around 300, ganyan. I think we can splurge if like by the end of my 5 days here. Madami pa tayong budget. Our food is here, guys. Oh my god, look, it looks so appetizing. Tapos for 155, 165 ata. Look. The hell? Look at that. Tapos may coke pa tayo for, I think this is more or less 200 pesos for one meal. So, that's sulit na here, no? So, sige na, kain na tayo. Bye! Hey guys, so it's our official day 1 here in Siquijor. And for today, I hired a tour guide. So, let's see where I'll be going today. Kasi parang hindi ko sure if saan dun sa itinerary ko yung mga worth it puntahan na dapat may tour guide instead of going there alone. So, ipapakita natin yung itinerary ko ngayon sa ating tour guide and then siya nang papipiliin natin kung saan mas maganda na may tour guide and saan yung kaya ko na lang puntahan. So, see you there! Oh, before that, magbe-breakfast muna tayo since my accommodation right now provides free breakfast. Perfect, guys.
Sabi na galong buko.
So, we're done eating, guys. Tapos, nasa labas na doon. Nag-aantay yung tour guide natin. So, tingnan natin nasan si Kuya. And, tingnan natin saan tayo makakapunta today. Parang plano ko sana yung mga ligo-ligo lang muna. So, let's see. Uwi na kami guys doon muna tayo sa Welcome to Siquijor. Kasi, the last time I was here, hindi tayo nakapag-picture noon. So, ngayon that we're back, let's grab the chance to take a photo there for some memories, right? We're done here. Tapos, tanongin natin si Kuya saan yung next na malapit dito. Kasi, dito yung port. Nandiyan lang yung port. Then, let's ask Kuya. Tingnan mo, dala-dala niya yung bag ko. Kasi, then, ito yung tricycle. So, he will drive me around the city. So, tanongin natin siya saan yung next. Next up, Pitogo daw kami guys. Kasi yun daw yung malapit. So, balik kami ulit doon. Then, we're heading to Pitogo. Bayad tayo guys ng entrance and parking. So, it's 30 pesos. Bayad sir ng entrance and parking.
May mag-collect ka lang po ng parking doon.
Pag-alis.
Thank you.
Wala masyadong tao. So, Ang haba kasi ng pila guys. So, I've decided.
dito.
Sige. Picture daw kami.
Okay, you look each other.
Listen, sharing.
Principal, yeah, okay ka na.
Ikaw lang, Denisha, ikaw lang.
Rest muna tayo guys. Kasi we're still waiting for the line. Tawag lang kasi live tayo na. So, I'm 37 dun sa famous place doon. And here sa my drone, I'm at 39. So, let's wait for our turn. We're done guys filming our drone shot. So, tingnan nyo. Diyan ako nakatayo kanina. So, let's go. And let's see the result.
Kuya ko na bahala ah. Open mo.
Ang edit.
Nagpa-drone mo kayo na?
Hi ka kuya.
Ano po?
Hi ka.
Hi!
Hello, siya yung magpipictures natin dito guys. So, galingan natin para hindi tayo ma-judge ni kuya. We are done sa Bitogo guys. And worth it naman yung init doon. Kasi nakapag-picture na tayo. And drone shots. So now, before heading to the underground river, let's get lunch muna with our driver. So, after doon, para pag naligo na, hindi na basa-basa kasi forgot to bring an extra underwear. So, basa na lang pag pauwi. After namin mag-lunch, ligo, then mga tubig-tubig na yung i-visit natin. Like the falls, whatever, all of those. We're done eating guys, so sa underground river na lang tayo pumunta muna. Then, tingnan natin. I'm so excited to go there. So, I'll see you when we get there. So, we'll wait for our guide muna guys. So, nakapagpalit na tayo. And, doon tayo pupunta. Ngatog ang tuhod dito. Thermal lumangoy. Hi everyone! So, this is our day 2 and nakapagbihis na tayo and we'll go to the cafe for our breakfast. Then I think I'll go back here para magligpit since we'll be changing our accommodation. So we just finished eating our breakfast. And babalik na tayo sa room kasi magliligpit pa tayo. So we're here at Palitan Beach already guys and so relaxing here kahit ang init but it's worth the heat kasi super relaxing and hindi masyadong ganun karami yung tao. So let's transfer guys. I think meron pa doon. I-explore natin hanggang sa dulo. And let's see kung mas maganda ba doon. Come with me. Let's go. So, malakad lang daw pala. So, lakarin na lang natin. So, meron nga talaga doon. So, let's see kung mas maganda pa doon. Mga 2 to 3 minutes walk lang naman daw. So, andito nga, meron. Meron nga dito. Oh. Oopsie. Doon pa. So, meron pa siguro doon. Kasi parang ang layo. Let's see kung ang daming mga secret daanan pa. Very inconvenient for my part. Meron pa ba? Oh, meron pa. Let's see. We have a lot. Oh, so this is where the like main beach is. Mas malaki here. I thought yun na yun kasi like pag park mo ano na ano tawag siya, like pag park mo yun na yun. So buti na lang in-explore natin. Medyo hindi maganda yung dagat pang liguan.